hubbies for always tuning in. And thank you, my new friend, for watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I go through the process of doing a twist out on my type 4 hair. I know twist outs can be a little bit challenging for individuals with hair like mine, so I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can do or that you can try to make sure you get that bomb twist out. But before we get into it, I want you to go ahead and like this video, yes, right down there, because I know you're going to love it. Go ahead and subscribe, because I just want you to come back, and make sure you follow me on all of my social media outlets so we can just keep the party going. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get this twist out going. Okay guys, so I am starting out with stretch dry hair, making sure that my hair is sectioned off into the size twist that I want to achieve. I'm going to be using some of the Mielle twisting souffle to achieve this look. This stuff is amazing and it smells divine. I'm applying some of that product, not too much because I don't want to get my hair soaking wet, but enough product that will allow me to get that definition. I'm combing that product through because the key to a perfect twist is to make sure that your knots and your tangles are not there. So I'm following it up with some of this Mielle Almond Oil. This oil is divine. It seals in my curls. It does what I need it to do. So I'm then separating my hair in two sections to develop the 2-strand twist. And here with my 2-strand twist, what I do is I'm twisting it and holding it taut and pulling it apart and making sure I'm combing through those knots as I twist it. So I'm showing you here how I twist it really taut and then pulling it apart. I just hope that makes sense. So I'm continuing to twist my hair, making sure that the twists are really taut, twisting my hair all the way to the ends and coiling, using my finger to coil my hair and adding a little bit more product at the ends to make sure that the ends are actually twisting. And I'm coiling that around my finger, twisting that around my finger, making sure that the twist is really tight. With my hair, my twist has a tendency to get a little puffy at the roots, but we're going to fix that in just a minute. I'm going to show you what I actually do to prevent that. So right now, what I do is I put my twist in a Bantu knot to help set the twist, just like that. And this is what it looks like. And then I'm just proceeding to the other parts of my hair to continue the twist and to continue to the Bantu knot. So I'm adding that product, a little bit of that twisting cream, following up with the oil, combing it through, and then creating the twist. Okay guys, I am all finished twisting my hair and they're all set in the Bantu. However, this is not going to stay this way. I am only using the Bantu to set my twists and to make sure that they stay put. But what I normally like to do is I'll unravel each of those Bantu knots and then I'll ravel it around my hair or coil it around my finger. And then I bobby pin my twist at the root. My twists always puff at the root. So prevent that, and to make sure my definition is all the way on point, I bobby pin each of those twists at the root. And as you can see here, it keeps my twist in place and they don't unravel, and I get the definition that I need. So I'm repeating that process on each of those twists, just unraveling each of those Bantus and bobby pinning each of those Bantus at the root and making sure the twists are set in place so when they dry, my definition is all the way like I like it. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. This is what it's going to look like drying. It is nighttime, so your girl is going to bed. I am wrapping my hair up in my satin scarf, and that is that. But this, you guys, is about a day and a half later, okay? Your girl hair does not dry, so I have to wait at least a day and a half for my hair to dry. And since my hair has taken about a day and a half to dry, I'm using some more of that Mielle oil to add to my hair, just so, you know, I can reduce the frizz a little bit with my twist out, and just to give my hair a little bit of sheen when I'm unraveling. So the key to my twist and when I'm unraveling is that I kind of untwist the twist, if that makes sense. I don't like pulling it apart because I don't want to wreak havoc on my ends. So I just kind of unravel the coil, if you will, and I'll hold one piece of the twist and let it unravel. And do you see this definition? Bomb, right? Told you. So I just repeat that process all over again, holding that twist and just letting it unravel itself, and just going through the whole process of unraveling each of the twists. Now it's separation time. So what I normally like to do is that I'll go through each of the twists and I'll separate the twists where they naturally separate. Depending on how big I want my hair that day will depend on how big I separate the twist. Normally on first day hair is not as big, which is totally fine because my twist out actually lasts me about a week and a half. It just really depends. But I'm letting them out gradually and just fluffing them, using my pick to fluff my roots to make sure I want a lot of, how do you say, depth and definition, and just picking them out to the desired puffiness. And yeah, that's pretty much in. The definition and the twist are amazing. I love the results. Each time I do my twist out this way, guys, my twists are bouncy. The definition is there, and they last me for about at least a week and a half. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, guys, until next time, ciao.